Unless you guys have been living under a rock for the past year, you have heard of TonChain and its innovative approach to smart contracts. We're going to be going over the current blockchain and the problems that it has, what TonChain solves, and then I'm going to bring you guys a small cap gem that I think is going to do extremely well this bull run. It's got the right chain, it has the right narrative, and it solves the number one problem that Ton has right now, which is interoperability. Some of the biggest challenges on the larger blockchains that we have today, Ethereum's contracts often intertwine, creating dependencies and shared states. Low liquidity, super high fees, lack of transparency, and difficulty verifying records. New investors find it expensive and extremely complicated when onboarding. And the obvious one, scalability. The more users are interacting with a blockchain at the same time, blockchain becomes congested, causing fees to go up and transactions taking hours to complete. Ton has a unique approach to tackling these barriers. First off, each smart contract on Ton acts as its own mini blockchain. Ton's design allows for easy sharding and scaling. It also has separate transaction records for each contract to reduce interdependencies. When you put all these features together, you get faster processing time and less congestion on the blockchain. Now, what is sharding? Sharding improves the scalability of a database or blockchain by distributing the workload across multiple shards. By dividing the data into shards, multiple transactions can be processed in parallel, reducing the overall processing time and improving the system's throughput. Each shard operates independently, containing only a subset of the total data. This independence allows the system to handle more transactions simultaneously without causing a bottleneck. It also reduces the load of individual nodes in a network, as each node only needs to handle the data and transactions for its specific shard. Ethereum is implementing sharding in its Ethereum 2.0 upgrade to improve scalability and efficiency. By dividing the Ethereum blockchain into multiple shards, the network can process more transactions per second and handle a large user base. Now, with all this groundbreaking technology, you can see what the hype is all about with TonChain. TonChain was created by the founders of Telegram, which is one of crypto's biggest apps. Telegram is projected to have 1 billion users by the end of this year. 55 million people use Telegram every day, and it's valued at $30 billion. So they've got the infrastructure, they have the right founders, they know how to create hype in the market. But TonChain already has an $18 billion market cap. Now, what I am choosing to do is to go in and find those low cap gems, those diamond in the rough projects that can make 50, 100, 1000x gains, which is how I came across TonSquare. The main problem is that it's not easy to get your funds over to it. So it's difficult to onboard new users. Now, TonSquare is a project that I found that is solving the problem of interoperability within the Ton ecosystem. TonSquare bridges the Ton ecosystem with EVM compatible chain, enabling seamless asset interactions and exchanges across blockchain ecosystems. They are currently in testnet phase and the project has not launched a token yet, but you can basically pre-mine this with an access key that gives you a license to mine the cryptocurrency. So you are contributing to the blockchain and you get rewarded with the project's token, which is TOS. I purchased 2 of these keys 3 days ago and I already have 9,000 tokens. They're currently in tier 3 and with each tier, the price of a key goes up. Currently, the price is 16.54 ton. The next tier is going to be a little bit over 17 ton and so on and so on. They also just opened up staking for the tokens that you are mining with a current APY of 342%, making the deal even more attractive. TOS does not currently have a price announced on what these tokens are going to be worth, but I do have faith in what this project is trying to do. My plan is to mine these for the next year and see where the price goes. I currently have invested about 250 bucks and I'm planning on buying another 8 keys. If you'd like to participate in this project, I will leave the link in the description. Always do your own research. This is highly speculative. This is a project that has not even launched yet, but in my experience, the higher the risk, the higher the reward. If you do not have a Ton wallet, you can purchase these keys from your EVM, so you'll be able to tie into your MetaMask here. I use Ton Keeper. This is one of the more popular Ton wallets, and the fees are a lot cheaper. And depending on the valuation when it launches, I think this project has every bit of 50 to 100x. And I'll be sure to bring you guys updates on how this little project is going. I'm also currently mining the Dymo project in 2 of my vehicles, and I've been farming IoT through Helium for the past 4 years. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to hear how those projects are going. And that's all I got for you guys today. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.